I think the absolutely most important thing to communicate better is to be able to be a better listener. How many times has this happened to you that you are in a conversation with somebody and you're so eager about what you want to say that you have it in your mind and you just keep going over it in your head, and by the time that it gets time to actually say the thing, you say it and you realize, wow, I wasn't listening at all. I have no idea what this person actually told me because I was so in my head going over this, And what happens is that our unconscious, currently, your unconscious might be trained to be like, oh, okay, well, that's okay. That's the way we operate. Well, I'm going to tell you today how to train your unconscious to actually quiet your mind down a little bit, be able to listen better to the person that's talking to you and respond appropriately. And it's a very simple tip because your unconscious is here to help you do all the things that you want. All you have to do is train it, tell it how it is that you want to do it. Right now, what you're doing is repetition on that thing, right? On trying to interrupt and having the idea in your head. And your unconscious is thinking, oh, that's what we do. So now instead, the next few times when you feel like you're running over your thoughts so fast that you can't pay attention to what the person is saying, just go shh, just kind of quiet it down by yourself. Like if you do this actively, consciously, with intention for a few times, your unconscious is going to catch on. By the time that you do this 3 or 4 times, you may still miss some of those conversations because you're in training, but by the time that you get done with a few repetitions of that, your unconscious is going to go, oh, wait a minute. So every time that we're in a conversation, you kind of want me to stay quiet, hold that thought, and then be able to respond appropriately and even bring out that thought, like not forget it, because that's the other thing, is keeping it in your mind. So you want to say it so it doesn't get lost in your mind and then you're not able to actually tell the thing you wanted. So quiet your mind a little bit consciously by going shh, just shh, nicely. You don't have to do it in a mean way, like, oh, shut up. Just quietly quiet your mind for a minute. Consciously do that a few times and your unconscious is going to start to pick up the pattern. It's going to go, okay, I understand what you want me to do. And then all of a sudden you're going to notice that becomes an automatic pattern, that now you're able to fully be present and listen and pay attention to what the person is saying. And then you're able to hold the thought and respond. In another coaching corner later on, maybe in the next few days, I'm going to tell you about how to improve those memory skills so that you can actually hold that thought in your head and then deliver it. There's Juan's Coaching Corner. Hopefully you enjoy it and hopefully it's improving your communication skills little by little.
Hey, if you found value in this video, please hit the like button so more people can find it, and consider subscribing to the channel and clicking the bell for more life-enhancing content. Oh, and by the way, there's no rush. Hang around. Watch some other videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.